Welcome, guys, to episode 8 of how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Here we have an update after the demolition that you saw in the last episode for the main area in the middle of the two buildings, the old and the new. We already installed the helical piles, we did the pile caps, and we are going with the elevator shaft and the stairs shaft. Also, I'm going to show you now, we already finished the inside stairs. As you see here, we already poured the inside stair in the old part on the northeast part, and we are going to keep going in this area, leveling the floor and doing the framing. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more update on how we build and remodel a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.